Do you have that leftover spaghetti in the fridge and you're like, I don't know what to do with it. I don't want spaghetti again. We had it yesterday. I hate leftovers. Maybe we could spice it up a little bit. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, next we gotta pop the top and get that yesterday spaghetti ready. This will be the weapon of choice for this battle. Oh. Pop some right up in that nice little glass pan. Good enough for a good portion. That's plenty right there. More than plenty. Next up, cheese sprinkling time. Oh yeah, we're gonna add some cheese to the spaghetti today, boys. We're gonna definitely add some cheese to the spaghetti today for what we got going on. So add as much cheese as you prefer on the top of your pastas. You know me, I love me some cheese, so I'm gonna go a little heavy with it. You know, I don't mind me a little extra melted cheese on my pasta here. All right, we got that. Get our spoon back, spread that over a little more evenly on the top layer. Next, we're gonna grab some of this Parmesan. Oh yeah. Top that with a little nice layer of some Parmesan over the top of that shredded cheese. And you will end up with this nice little concoction right here, you guys. Now we're gonna add this to the oven here shortly at 375 degrees. And we'll bake it for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how well done you like your cheese. And here we are, guys. Thank you for being patient as we waited for that to bake and melt. Look at that. All spiced up, ready to go. Now all we gotta do is eat it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.